Alright, well, good morning. It's cold as shit out here. We're going to a car meet, Cars and Coffee. After a great start. I didn't get very much sleep, and I forgot my tablet, so... But I got my boy Boinky. So, what's up? So, and I think 2-3 other guys supposed to meet us there, but I guess we'll just have to find out. Full of Lairg. How far is Starbucks? Here, take the Jippus. I hope I'm in shot right now because I can't even.
Still reroute.
Oh, god damn it. Where's center? We got 7 minutes to Starbucks, and like I don't know how long till we get to the actual thing. Ah! Sick. I bet that guy's going to the fucking car meet. That was did you see it?
I saw it, yeah.
It was a Destin 2 something. I think it's 270. Look at that. What are they? 240s? They have 200s, 240s, and 270?
I don't know much about Datsun.
You don't know anything about Datsuns?
I don't really know.
Datsuns are the shit. I love those cars.
Yeah, we're just going to the end of the road and take a right, and then we're almost there.
Here, you wanna hold the camera? Hold. Try to me. Put it over there. What is that even recording right now? That's not even recording anything.
I can't fucking. I'm just hold it right here.
Hold it like this. To you.
Oh, to me? Oh,
yeah. So we can both get in the shot. You gotta be in this thing too, dude. You're in it all the way.
All right.
Say something interesting.
I'm not interested.
Stop holding it crooked.
I got short arms.
Alright, fuck it. Give me the damn camera. Number 3. Gee, that's a monster biscuit. Weird. Clock of shit. Gotta be freaking priorities, dude. Thank you. I'm so sad that I forgot my tablet. It looks so much better. Like, look at that freaking empty right there, dude. Why did you let me forget the tablet, Mercer?
Why do you always forget your tablet?
I don't always forget my tablet. Usually I just leave it in here, but last night I charged it for the thing, so it wouldn't look like poop sitting there or nothing. But of course, I decided to forget it, so that's quality. It's quality stuff right there.
In the middle of your floor or something.
Huh?
Should put it like in the middle of your floor. You wake up.
I put it on top of my microwave, which is right at the end of my bed, so it doesn't sound weird. Because put it on top of your microwave, it sounds like it's in your kitchen. I don't have a kitchen. They don't know our situation.
A fridge.
Yeah, auto hold. Yeah, I felt the brake. That's what I'm talking about, dude.
What?
Gotta love it. Huh?
You have auto hold?
Yeah, I can just. And if I want to release it, I just
step on the brake.
Tap on the gas, and then it's cool. Rev my engine, I'm ready to get out of here. Do some cool vape tricks.
I can't do any vape.
Do some cool vape tricks. Do what you did a second ago. Yeah. Get in there and vape it up, brother.
Alright, I got you.
Take a fat rip and then tornadic the activity. There you go. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Man, I'm practicing that one.
Dang.
I'm working on a lot.
Fat clouds, son.
Oh, yeah.
that other part of the video recorded because it seemed like the camera turned off.
I don't know where it turned off.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. On a hold.
I don't know fucking who it goes.
The croissant. You gonna eat that croissant?
I don't fucking know. How the fuck am I supposed to tell?
Oh. I guess it's just closed right there. Sono Beach.
Fucking idiots.
Let me see you go. You gotta go.
Oh, you got a croissant, right? Okay, I'm assuming this is the croissant bridge.
Maybe, I don't know.
And I meant the biscuit.
I see some cars over there.
Over here?
Yeah, right there. There's a couple of them. Now we just gotta get a drink, and we're good. There's Starbucks right there.
Where?
Right back there. Right.
Oh.
Don't have, mine's ham, cheese, and sausage. Something else. Egg. Boy getting copyright strikes right there. Alright, so we passed the mall. Saw a couple cars sitting out there. I'm excited. Bazookas is going to get my drink in there and get my biscuit. He's got his biscuit as you saw in the... I don't know what I'm talking about this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't vlog very often, so hang with me. We're gonna look like an idiot walking around with a camera in our hand at the car show. I saw at least 20 cars. At the very least 20 cars. So I'm gonna have a couple hoods open, so I don't expect anybody to be like freaking out over this thing, but especially without my damn tablet. Forgot my tablet and I'm pissed. God, I wish I had my tablet. Who just texted me? My phone's going off. Alright, well I'll just get you one. I'll just get you when I get there. Hell yeah, pulling immediately. And we get squatted up with the GTI right here. This thing is sick. Alright, let's get it.
Yeah.
This looks just like my brother's old car. Alright, where do you want to start at? Blinkers. Start over here, I guess. Sick, 335. This thing's fast as hell, I'll guarantee it. I saw earlier. I bet that guy's going to the fucking car meet. These things are sick. I love these so much. They're so pretty.
Sorry.
It's gorgeous. Huh? Is yours? I love it so much.
Pardon?
I love it so much.
Nice little machine. 1971.
Really? Jeez. It's in flawless condition pretty much. I think I saw you earlier. Were you driving like not even 30 minutes ago probably?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so I passed you earlier.
I don't think there's too many of these around, so.
Oh, did? Yeah. But, yeah, there aren't many of these around.
Well, not looking like that.
Especially not like that.
Not many around, period. Most of them.
Shit, alright. This is an old school Supra. It's like it has a rally kit on it.
Oh, I got that down.
What size turbo is that?
76.
I think it's huge.
Yeah, it was too cold last night. I said, fuck it, I'm not washing it.
I don't blame you. I love that color. What? What's that? Oh, I told you. I told you would see at least one of them here. Freaking told you would see at least one I8. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get a good shot of the engine bay. Bet people think I look retarded walking around this camera. Guarantee it. And there's a Porsche. GTS is pulled in. 911. Hell yes, dude. This is goals. I want this car so bad. Huh?
But I got some
This is a super clean Supra. I think everything's. It looks like it's stock. Looks like everything's stock on this thing. X7. That's what's up. Right-hand drive. Oh my god.
Reach for me. There is a beautiful electricity. It sings and hums in our fingertips. And maybe I'm not the same as everyone else around me. Maybe I'm not to blame for all of the pain I left behind me. Stay with me, and maybe they will see we could be. Maybe we are extraordinary. Maybe we are
My GoPro thing died, so we're just gonna do it on my phone now. Hopefully the shots that I got were good enough. I sure hope they are. I'm gonna try to edit them up when I get back. We were playing around with an X5 and a Wrangler, and then immediately after a cop came out and got right on my butt, and then, but he went around and got behind the ambulance that was up there, so we're good, so don't worry about it. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get more car videos out soon. There's some pretty sick stuff there. It wasn't huge, but there's definitely some cool cars there. Alright, I want to say thanks for watching. Sorry if there's an echo. I'm in the bathroom. My roommate's asleep, so whatever. Shitty vlogs, quality content. I hope I edited them up pretty well. So I'm gonna try to go to more car meets, do more car stuff. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, you know, all that stuff, whatever, you know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.